With DocuSign Workspaces, you can create a dedicated space to centralize and manage complex, multi-step agreements that include multiple documents, tasks, and participants. Creating a workspace involves adding participants and documents, preparing, sending, and signing envelopes, requesting uploads of required information, sending messages to collaborators, applying specific branding to a workspace, and monitoring progress, all from one location. Plus, you can now create reusable workspace templates to ensure consistency for the common transactions you regularly process. As a preparer, you will improve efficiency, eliminate rework, and save time. And participants will benefit from a simplified experience with streamlined notifications and a secure collaborative hub. Let's first review the preparer's experience. To get started, navigate to the Agreements page and click Workspaces. All active workspaces will be displayed by default. Click Create Workspace, enter a workspace name, and click Save. Workspaces are designed to be interactive and collaborative. Click Share to give others access to the workspace. You can assign the Manage role to another account member, who can then create and assign tasks, and the Participate role to users who will need to complete assigned tasks. For added security, you can require that participants verify their identity before accessing the workspace. Click the Actions menu, add identity verification, and select a method available on your account. Click Share again. You can add envelopes to a workspace by clicking Add, Envelope, Create an envelope. Follow the usual preparation steps, and then click Save to Workspace to bundle and send multiple tasks together at a later time, or send the task immediately by clicking Send. To add additional envelopes, repeat these steps or select Use a template to begin from an envelope template. If a recipient needs to add content to the workspace, click Add, Upload Request, enter the information, and assign the task. As you prepare each task, you can either send them individually or batch and send them together later. You can also add individual documents to the workspace that don't require action. These documents can be shared with participants for visibility in the participant portal, or they can be added to an envelope if a signature is required. Messages allow you to communicate with both internal and external workspace participants. Click New Message, add an optional topic name, select a recipient, and click Create. This feature keeps conversations organized within an individual workspace. Additional actions can be taken from the Workspace Settings screen. You can change the name or status of the workspace, or add a message for all recipients that will display in the participant portal. Also, you can select a branding profile to personalize each workspace with a custom logo and brand colors. Brands are set by an administrator at the account level and assigned by the preparer. The selected brand appears in the participant portal and in email notifications. When the workspace setup is complete, select the checkboxes next to each task, click Send, and add an optional message to recipients. Click Send again to confirm the action. The workspace now shows the status of each assigned task and the actions that can be taken. Use workspace templates if you're regularly creating similar workspaces for repeated transactions. You'll save time by eliminating repetitive setup steps, ensure consistency across documents and tasks, and eliminate manual errors. Create a template by clicking Templates, Workspace Templates, and then Create Template. Add a template name, an optional description, and click Next. Build your template similar to how you'd create a standalone workspace by adding envelope templates, upload requests, and individual documents as needed. When the workspace template is complete, click Publish to make the template visible to all users on your account. To use a template, locate the template, click Use, and enter a workspace name. Edit the upload requests and envelopes to assign the recipients, and share any documents added to the workspace. Now let's view what participants see. The participant experience begins with a single email notification and clicking Review Tasks. If identity verification was added, the participant must complete the process to access the workspace. Next, the participant portal opens, showing the upload request and the envelopes they've been asked to take action on. Messages between the workspace participants are also displayed. One email, one link, all tasks and communication in one place. The participant clicks Upload, locates and adds the requested documents, and clicks Submit to complete the task. After submitting the file, the screen refreshes, showing that the task is complete, along with the date. For the first envelope, the participant clicks Sign, reviews the document, completes the required fields, and clicks Finish. They return to the workspace and repeat the steps for the second envelope. The status of each item refreshes, showing that one envelope has been completed and the other is awaiting further action. Back in the Preparer's view, the workspace gives you full visibility into the status of each task, which updates in real time. As the Preparer, you can click Sign to complete the second envelope. You can also complete management tasks from the Actions menu, including viewing the history of actions taken, copying a workspace for reuse with similar workflows, downloading content from a workspace, and more. DocuSign workspaces bring people, agreements, and information together in a secure hub to simplify agreement processes and drive real-time collaboration.